Yeah, the ratio of REM sleep versus non compared to non-REM sleep, it varies dramatically across species. And also, one very peculiar aspect of uh, sleep in these marine mammals is that they sleep with half of the brain, so while the other half is active. So that's what we call the unihemispheric sleep. So there was a group that recorded penguins in the wild, and they showed that while they're incubating eggs, which is a period of their life where when they're very exposed to predators, so they have to be very vigilant, and they sleep at in 2 to 3 second intervals. So it's essentially they are, but they have these sleep episodes like 10,000 times a day. So overall they sleep 12 hours, but they sleep only in very, very short sleep bouts.
So when they're incubating the eggs, they have to stay on the eggs to keep them warm, especially in that cold environment. Obviously, if they can't move, they're really vulnerable to predators and things. So you're saying they essentially just engage in many, many small little bouts of micro sleep throughout the day.
That's correct. The same animals, when they are at sea, they have they have much more relaxed sleep. They can sleep well, and they have much completely different sleep architecture. And also, there are other examples of extreme sleep, like the frigate birds, for instance, that when they migrate, they are essentially sleepless for a very, very long, 2 week migration period, right? And also the big changes in their metabolism as they migrate, and there are some really incredible adaptive strategies for under for those conditions.
So there's a lot of diversity in nature of sleep architecture. And it's really complicated.